Cool. Okay, one second. So you are into Polymarket trading and maybe you want to do something like sports or any wallet. Okay, so this is a continuation of the last copy trading that we were trying to find wallets. And what you are up to is you want to, I just created some of the scripts. So after like downloading a data like this, it's related to some account. I have a lot of accounts that have the same data. They are performing really well. So on Discovery, we created this script so that you can download like data from different people. And this is one of the wallets that is trading like weather. So I saw like this data was so chunky, so I had to create a dashboard. But before we check on the dashboard, I just created a backend for the application for the for that let's say project. Then we created a front end. So let me show you. But first we can try to like run the applications. Okay, a second, let me run. So you can see the backend is now running. So the next thing we can just like do is like, since it's running at this, let's just analyze the logs. You can see this is running. Okay, voila, this is the data. So we turn data from like how that it was like this one. Let's say from a raw data like this one to now a data like this. So you can see this person. Let's just open. So wait for the profile to just open. Okay, you can see this person is active trading weather. So you can see he's trying to trade weather, but I think he just stopped trading, but he does it in a slow. So we have data like this, so you can just like have a look at maybe buy and sell breakdown on how it does. So you can see the number of yes and no. But it's quite interactive, so you can just check anything you want. Okay. Then you can see how it does the daily volume. Try to copy that. Yeah, you can see the daily volume this person is averaging. You can see the buy volume on this. You can see the PNL of the profile. You can see the win rates. Win rate is quite good. You can see the number of trades that are. Also, what you can see is like the top exposure, what is trading the most. So you can see this person traded this a lot of amount poured into this market. There are lots to check. You can check recent trades, recent activity. We can even add some things that we want, but that is basically how to analyze a wallet. But before that, let's just get a random wallet, maybe in a market like this. I'm trying to get us a random wallet. And let's just take this one. Okay, it's okay. Or we can just copy like that. Then that's a quick way to like analyze the wallet. Then you just wait for the results. Okay, it's gonna take some few seconds because like doing all the analysis. So if you check at this wallet example, it's like trading. He has a lot of positions. So you can see the person is quite losing this one. But when we go to dashboard, once the data is like has been analyzed, we can just check out the output. So and here is it. So you can see all the data or what the person has traded. You can see what the person has traded like with the most amount of money. So you can see this one traded by this you can see how the person trades the activity and even the hourly pattern of this person. So you can see the most of the time that is trading. You can even analyze by bet outcomes, PNL, and even win rates. Then the number of trades, you can see he has done like 3,500, but he has done a lot of trades, so like it will pick maybe the last 3,500 to analyze, something like that. So then there is something that appeared here. It's called HFT rebalancing. This is a feature that I'm trying to perfect, but for those people who would like try to buy like both sides in same market. So that's it. So I'll try maybe to make it much better so that you will identify. But you can see there is an activity, but you can try and improve this much better. Let's try and find maybe someone who trades like something like crypto. So you can see this account is we are trying to, it's like doing a lot of crypto. So you can see the number of rows that's trying to query for analysis. So you need to wait for, or give it a second, you can see. So we get to truncate the number of maybe analysis to 3,500, but I can increase this one maybe later. You can see how the person is doing. You can see this person is like doing an HFT. So the activity of this person is you need to check maybe there is an activity so that you can see what this person is buying. So you can see at the same time is buying up and down. You can see all of them is up, but I will maybe add a feature so that you can do something like a drop down for you to calculate what this person is doing. So it's not like the best way to analyze wallets, but this account since by both sides, so it's like doing up is like buying up and down, so it has like maybe closer than to 50% win rate, which is not good wallet to like do a copy trading on it. But the next feature we are going to add is for it to analyze to give us the best wallets that we can copy. Stay tuned for that. So I'm going to implement that for it to give us maybe to make analysis or to run 24/7 on Polymarket and give us the best maybe 100 wallets that we can try and copy. And maybe you can fill that those wallets according to what you want. Then we can just add for it to like check the positions that this person is holding for it not to give us maybe wrong results. I'll give you maybe an update, but this just the first day maybe of doing this. I've done it earlier, but I was trying and to build something like this. If like you enjoy this, comment the feature that you want to see, then I'll just try and maybe build on the dashboard. Thank you.